Welcome back, students. Hello everyone. So today we'll be starting with factorization, which is there in class 8th for both ICSE and CBSE students. What is factorization? Well, factorization is simply making factors. So for example, if you have an algebraic expression, let's say 4x. So all of you know that 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into x. So basically the factors of 4x are 2, 2 and x. We can also explain it as, suppose, let's take it more simple. If you have a number 12, okay, so now if I ask you to take out the factors of 12, so all of you are going to divide it by 2, write 6, then again divide it by 2, you will write 3, and then you will say 3 ones are 3. So then you will say that the factors of 12 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. In the same way, if there is an algebraic expression, say 12x, so we will say the factors of 12x are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x. Let's take another example. Suppose I have 4xy, then the factors will be 2 into 2 into x into y. Okay, let's take one more example. Suppose I have 5x squared, then the factors will be 5 into x into x. So the factors are 5, x and x. Now suppose you have an algebraic expression. Let's say I have an expression 5x squared plus 10x. Now this expression contains two terms. 5x squared is the first term, 10x is the second term. So firstly we can say that 5x squared can be written as 5 multiplied by x multiplied by x, and 10x can be written as 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by x. So I can write it as 5 into x in first bracket plus 2 into 5 into x within the other bracket. Now to find out the common factors, we will look at the terms that are common in both. So 5 and x are common in both the brackets. So I can take out 5x from both. So I will write it out 5x. Now within the first bracket, x is left out, plus within the second bracket, 2 is left. Hence, the factorization of 5x squared plus 10x is 5x within brackets x plus 2. Okay, so the first factor is 5, the next factor is x, and the third factor is complete x plus 2. If you have any doubt, then please comment below the video. So moving on, let's take another example. Suppose the question is 3x squared y minus 6xy squared plus 9xy. Now we have to factorize this algebraic expression. Again, the first term, that is 3x squared y, can be written as 3 into x into y within brackets, minus the second term can be written as 2 into 3 into x into y plus the third expression can be written as 3 into 3 into x into y. So again we will find out the common terms in all. So as you can see, 3 is common in all the brackets, then x and y are common in all the brackets. Okay, so taking the common term out, I can now write it as 3xy, that is common. Now from the first bracket only x is left, then we will write down the sign minus. Then in the next bracket 2y is left and plus 3. Okay, so the factorization of this given expression is 3xy bracket x minus 2y plus 3. Okay, so moving on, let's take another example. Suppose the expression is ax plus by plus ay minus bx. Okay, so now in such questions we will group similar looking terms together. So suppose I write ax plus ay together, and then I write by minus bx together. Now I can take a common, I will be left with x plus y within bracket, and in the next two terms I can say b common bracket y minus x. So as you can see, now between these two expressions there is nothing common, so we cannot factorize it further. Now let's say if the question was ax minus bx plus ay minus by, then in the first two terms I can take x common, so I will be left with a minus b. In the third and fourth term I can take y common, a minus b. Now you can see that within brackets the terms are similar, that is a minus b and a minus b. Hence we can take a minus b common, and in the next bracket we are left with x plus y. Okay, so now these two terms, that is a minus b and x minus y, they are in product form, and whenever two quantities are in product form we can say that they are the factors of the given expression. So moving on, let's take another example with even more number of terms. So suppose the question is y cube minus 3y square plus 2y minus 6 minus xy plus 3x. In this question I have 6 terms: y cube minus 3y square plus 2y minus 6 minus xy plus 3x. So at first glance it will look very confusing and you will be a bit terrified looking at the question ki what will we do. But again, the simple method is to find out similar looking terms and take them in a group of 2. So let's say I take these two terms together, then these two together, and then these two. So in these two terms I can say that y square is common because the first term is y cube, the second is minus 3y square. So the maximum power we can take common is y square. So in the bracket we'll be left with y minus 3 plus in the next two, that is 2y minus 6, I can take 2y's common. So again I'll be left with y minus 3, and in the next two, that is minus xy plus 3x, I can take x common. So I am taking minus x as common. Within the brackets I will get y minus 3. So because minus x into y will be minus xy and minus x into minus 3 will be plus 3x. Now you all can see that in all the three terms y minus 3 is common to all. Hence in the next step I can take y minus 3 common within the first bracket, and in the second bracket I will be left with y square plus 2 minus x. So this is the final answer, because again these two terms are in product form multiplied with each other. Hence these two are the factors of the given expression. Okay. In case some of you are having a doubt in this question, I'll explain it with another method. So suppose I write this as y cube can be written as y into y minus 3 into y, that is 3y square, plus 2 into y minus 2 into 3 minus x into y plus 3 into x. Okay. So now you can see that in the first expression y into y and y into y, we can take both y's common. Hence I was writing y square in the previous method. So if I take y into y common, that is y square is common, so I will get y minus 3 within the brackets. Similarly, within the next two terms I can take 2 common. Hence I am writing it as plus 2 bracket y minus 3, and in the next two terms x is common, so I am taking minus x as common, so that within the brackets I get the same term y minus 3. Okay, so this is how we got this step, the second one. So now again y minus 3 is common, and in the second bracket we can say y square plus 2 minus x. Okay, so I hope now it is clear. So if you have any doubt, then always expand the given expression with all the terms, and when you become comfortable, then you can follow this method. So keep following us and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, take care.